mommies, welcome back to another video. I hope you are well and in good health. Remember, we are just a South African food content YouTube channel and we cook what we have in our houses. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the video. To those who have already subscribed, thank you very much and may God bless you. Story time, and we are cooking potato salad. Get your chair, sit down. I'll be talking during the story time. You watch the video because I won't be able to speak and cook at the same time. This is how I was created. I beg. Have respect to my God. All right. Sharp. Story time. This is about my friend Amahle. She consented me, or she gave me a consent that I talk about the story time. She doesn't have a problem with me introducing her name like... Nah, she doesn't have a problem at all. So her name is Amahle, but I won't tell you the same name because, hey, nyege. So anyway, story time. Amahle and the friend. Amahle and the Jala's friend. I can't say, should I say Jala's friend or what? But Amahle and the friend. Sharp. Amahle, she's this very, very beautiful hand. One thing about Zulu girls, they are very beautiful. She's a very beautiful girl from KZN, and she actually grew up very, not in a nice way because she didn't have parents. Both parents passed away when she was still a baby, and she had to... She's one of those who experienced tough childhood, you understand? So her... to be where she is today, she really knew that she didn't... Like, Amahle doesn't have anyone. She has her husband and the kids. She grew up one child and parents passed away. So she's literally by herself. But by God's grace, she was blessed with a very wonderful husband. Sharp. Amahle, back in the days, she used to work at this expensive retail store whereby, it's not everyone who entered in the shop. Of course, I won't say the name. So as she was working there, that was before she got married, and she was studying as well while working. She met this other friend. We'll call this girl the friend. She met this friend who had money. When I said money, not really big money, but she was, as compared to Amahle, I would say she was 70% ahead of Amahle because she was working and had her own business. Okay. Though she was one of those girls who were scared to drive. Like, she had driving phobias. So sharp. So the friend happened... How Amahle and the friend met was... Okay, the friend used to buy at Amahle's store to an extent whereby they ended up exchanging numbers. Now, Amahle and the friend are friends and they are talking on WhatsApp. They are opening up to one another, sharing traumas and everything, years pass by, they are still friends, right? Then it happens that Amahle meets her husband, and the husband bought her a car, a very point A to B type of a car, those starter pack type of a cars, Amahle can drive and the lady can't drive. Not that she doesn't have money, she has money. She even managed to open a taxi business and the brothers are running it. It's just that she had fears when it comes to driving. Sharp. Then Mogele, the friend fast forward, she gets married as well. These are years passing by. She gets married, the friend, have a child. She had a child with the husband. They're staying in one of the best suburbs in Johannesburg, okay? And the husband actually has money. In fact, the husband is a multi-millionaire. When, as compared to Amahle's husband, the friend's husband actually has more money. Let me say the friend's family have more money than Amahle and the husband. You get. Now, fast forward, Amahle graduates. She's in the legal industry, and the husband is... let me not say the husband what he does, what he's doing. So then Mogele, fast forward, when God shows off, when our God shows off, he really makes sure that he's gonna show off. Now Mogele, things coming together, she get pregnant. They were staying in Johannesburg, but in the city, not the suburb. She gets pregnant. Her first child, she get lobolat. She's still friend with the friend. She get lobolat, sharp. And then it happens that the husband of Amahle said, babe, now that you are expecting the second child, I think it is my honor to do you right. The husband buys a house, in one of the best suburbs in Johannesburg as well. Buys the house, a very beautiful house. Now, Amahle being Amahle, this is my best friend. We have been together for quite a long time, blah, 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 blah. She shows the friend she shows off her house to the friend. It is my friend. Remember, the friend also, she's married. They have a beautiful house. She's also sorted. Of course, when you go to that person, the levels are the same. So you can't expect that somebody can have develop some sort of jealousy in you because we are on the same level. You get? I don't understand. Sharp. Amahle shows the friend. The friend was like, yo, baby girl, Amahle, I'm so happy for you. Blah, 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 blah. Let me bless you. I'm going to buy you. What did she say? Curtains, right? I'm going to buy you curtains to the new house. Sharp. No problem. Then the process that Amahle was like, Mugele, let's go to my house to take curtain measurement. The way the lady, the friend had money, ne? When we say buy curtains, we don't call those mamas, the ones that do measuring the ones that do their measuring with their eyes like this from point A to B. A professional, somebody who's going to come into your house, take the measurements, make sure that your curtains don't look like malamhodu wa mpya, malamhodu wa kulube. That doesn't look like malamhodu wa khobu. No, they are leveled up. You understand? Leveled up, they're born proper, aligned, well aligned, sharp. Then the friend says, no, I'm busy, I'm working. And Amahle was like, thank God that lady never came to my house. Then Amahle was like, no, I'm busy, I'm working, I can't do it, friend. Just take the guy and then I will pay. Now the guy comes, Amahle, the guy takes everything, blah, blah, blah. Come the day of payment, the girl tells Amahle, the day of going to the shops to choose curtains, Mugela says, hi friend, let's make an appointment to go to town to visit the curtain guy to his store so that we can choose again. So that we can choose the curtains. Mugela's like, okay, sharp. They made an appointment. I think the video is done. The video is done. They make an appointment, but then don't forget to, let's pause here with it's still continuing, but we are almost there. Then they make an appointment for the next following, that was during COVID, for the next following week for them to go and choose their curtains. Remember the friend, the long years friend said, Mugele, I'm here to sponsor you. 1, Amahle didn't say buy me those things. 2, Amahle didn't say I want your money. And remember, yes, back in the days, Mugele used to give Amahle money. Maybe she would say, I know you are struggling, you are still, you know those people who enjoy, the video is done. I don't know what happened there. I just don't know. But sorry about that. Thank you for watching. To be continued, Amahle and the friend. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. Part 2 of story time coming up. Bye, family.